Hi parents, I'm Miss Jacqueline. This is my 5th year at Memorial Parkway. I've taught 7th and 8th grade math and I look forward to having a great year.
Hello parents, my name is Danielle Park and this is my 6th year at Memorial Parkway Junior High. I am one of the Algebra 1 teachers on campus. All of my contact information can be found on our campus homepage. If you ever have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out either through Canvas, email, or a phone call. I'm happy to help however I can. Let's talk a little bit about Algebra 1. So our year is broken down into 3 major units of study. We'll spend the first semester working on linear functions. We start second semester after winter break with exponential functions, and then we end our year with quadratics. Throughout the year, the students are allowed use of a graphing calculator. In school, we have the TI Inspire CX for the students to use. They also know how to get to the Desmos graphing calculator, and that information can be found in our textbook and resources module at the top of their modules page in Canvas.
12 important things I want to talk about. Grading. We will update our home access grades weekly, and you need to be aware that your Canvas grades and your home access grades are not going to match. The most up-to-date grades, because of weighting, will be on Home Access Center. Retest policy, your child scores below a 70 on a test, they will have the opportunity to retest. Please be a lookout for Canvas notifications letting them know that they need to retest. And lastly, tutorials. If you are here in person before school, there will be tutorials. If you are on KVA, we will be doing tutorials during advisory. And let us know if there's any extra opportunities that you need. Please just email us and we will figure something out.